Hey everyone, it's Andrew with Radio.Cloud, and since the last time we talked, Radio.Cloud has developed more new features, and I'm here to show you one today. It is our internal music scheduling software. Now, this is a great way to simplify your scheduling process, keep everything in one software, and have a nice browser-based interface while doing it. So to show you just a quick example of how that works today without going too deep into details, right now we're looking at the audio browser inside the Radio.Cloud software, again, just in your web browser. And we've opened the music category for this station. And what you now see is this tags column. This lets you set and change audio tags per song. So let's pick one of these songs that doesn't have a tag on it yet. Let's say that we'll do this Jack Johnson song right here. If we want to add a tag, we simply click this button. That's going to pull up our list of existing tags and the ability to add new ones. Let's say we already had an existing tag that we wanted to apply to this song, maybe just simply male. If we wanted to search through a long list of tags, I can start typing, and you can see it immediately narrows it down to one of those corresponding categories to what's in the search bar. If I go out of that, you can see any tag is editable at any time. Any tag is able to be deleted as long as it's not being used and scheduled in a broadcast clock. And then if we wanted to add a new tag, let's just say we want this Jack Johnson song to be alternative. I'll go in and type alternative, pick a color, and hit save. Then I can check that box, and I can check multiple boxes per song as well. To keep it simple today, we're just going to check one, hit save, and you'll see when the page refreshes, Jack Johnson now tagged as alternative. With that done, let's head over to the broadcast clock section. For this instance, we've built this Expo Clock 1 Sean's Test as the test clock to show you how the scheduler works. As this page opens, you'll see a mixture of music and jingles and imaging and voice tracks. This is our playlist for any hour, but now you'll see, in addition to just Title 1, Title 2 for music, you'll see a little character in a box indicating what category that is. M, in this case, stands for male. F stands for female. So we've simply rotated between male and female categories and artists in this hour. If I jump to the local playlist, you'll see for Expo Clock 1 Sean's Test, here's a male artist, here's a female artist. Male, female, and it goes that way throughout the whole hour, just depending on how those items are tagged. Let's say we wanted to change that to the Jack Johnson song. We'll just make it simple and do it for the very first song of the hour. I'm going to click on the edit button, and you'll see now, instead of just an estimated duration for music, you also have this tags button. When you drop it down, you have all of those tags that we've built, including that alternative tag. When I hit submit, you'll see it changes to the color we picked, which is brown, the letter A, which means alternative, and all we have to do now is hit update. Once that clock refreshes and updates, it will get out of this page, go back to your main broadcast clock menu, and then we can spin over to the local playlist page to see how this works. Once you already have a playlist built, it's easy to update it by just clicking this generate or regenerate button at the top of that particular hour. This should take that Jack Johnson song and slide it right into where this Bobby Brown song was, because it is the only song in the alternative category. And you see it did right there in no time at all. Of course, now if you build out that alternative category to have 10, 20, 40, 100 songs, it won't be so easy that you'll know which one it's going to pick every time, because it will be picking from that category a random song. You also have the ability to set artist and title separation in the background as well. But that's the general gist of the Radio.Cloud scheduler. Is you build tags in the audio browser, you assign them in the broadcast clock, and then based on that clock schedule, that's how it appears in the playlist. So in this instance, we have alternative, followed by female, followed by male, followed by female, and on for the rest of the hour. That is how Radio.Cloud scheduler works. It's simple, it's easy to use, and the nice thing is, if you accidentally try to delete a tag that's being used, you won't be able to. Let's say we wanted to tag this Katy Perry song also as alternative, but we accidentally hit delete on the alternative button. You'll see tag is used as a warning message pops up, which means, oh, there's at least one other song in our library that's tagged as alternative, so we can't actually delete that tag unless there's nothing tagged as alternative. So if I come back here and I untag Jack Johnson as alternative, save it, and then go back into that Katy Perry song and delete the alternative tag, then you'll see, are you sure you want to delete this tag? You click delete, and boom, it's gone. So that's a primer on the Radio.Cloud internal scheduling software, just another feature to make our cloud-native automation platform even better for you.